So this course is laid out in a few chapters, which include hitting, tutting, waving, and other animation goodness. If you check out the lecture course, you'll see all of the little moves and the little details that I'm going to be able to teach you. Now each section will be broken down into its basic technique, and that's where the main movement is going to come from. And with that, I'm also including extra concepts that can make your dance go from ordinary to extraordinary. Now there's going to be a lot of information being thrown at you, so you need to go back, review, and check out all the little tips and tricks that I'm going to be throwing at you, because it'll just make your dance so much better and you're going to accelerate so much faster. And of course, don't forget to have fun, because that's what this course is about. Try to find ways to practice, but make it fun. Don't make it boring. Try to make it interesting for you. If you have fun while you're dancing, everyone around you is going to have fun as well.